About 60% of domestic cats exhibit hunting behavior, and it's not just about food. A study published in the Journal of Mammalogy found that even well-fed cats still have the instinct to hunt. This raises questions about what drives this behavior. In my own kitchen, I've seen my cat stalk a toy with the same intensity as a wild predator. Research from the University of California suggests that hunting behavior in domestic cats is linked to their evolutionary history. Wild cats, the ancestors of domestic cats, relied on hunting for survival. This instinct has been passed down through generations, even as cats have become more domesticated. But it's not that simple. Other factors, such as environment and upbringing, also play a role in shaping a cat's hunting instinct. For example, a study published in the journal Animal Behavior found that cats that were raised in a stimulating environment were more likely to exhibit hunting behavior. What changes everything is this: the hunting instinct in domestic cats is not just about catching prey, but also about the thrill of the chase. Cats have a unique way of playing with their toys, often mimicking the movements of hunting in the wild. Here's the catch: not all domestic cats exhibit the same level of hunting instinct. Some breeds, such as the Bengal and the Savannah, are known for their strong hunting instinct, while others, such as the British Shorthair, are less inclined to hunt. A study published in the Journal of Feline Medicine and Surgery found that the hunting instinct in domestic cats can be influenced by their diet. Cats that are fed a high-protein diet are more likely to exhibit hunting behavior. But what about the ethics of allowing domestic cats to hunt? Some argue that it's natural for cats to hunt, while others believe that it's cruel to allow them to catch and kill wildlife. The University of Oxford conducted a study on the impact of domestic cats on local wildlife. The study found that domestic cats can have a significant impact on the population of small mammals and birds. In some cases, the hunting instinct in domestic cats can be a problem. For example, if a cat is hunting endangered species, it can have serious consequences for the ecosystem. What's interesting is that some cat owners are now using their cat's hunting instinct to their advantage. For example, some owners are using their cats to control pest populations. A study published in the Journal of Applied Animal Welfare Science found that cats that are allowed to hunt are more likely to be happy and healthy. But it's not all good news. Some cats can become obsessed with hunting, which can lead to problems such as overhunting and aggression towards other animals. Here's what you can do to encourage your cat's hunting instinct in a safe and responsible way. Provide your cat with toys and stimulation that mimic the thrill of the hunt. You can also try providing your cat with a scratching post or climbing structure to help them exercise their natural hunting behavior. What's important to remember is that every cat is different, and what works for one cat may not work for another. It's up to you as a cat owner to figure out what works best for your cat. The hunting instinct in domestic cats is a complex and multifaceted topic. While it can be a problem in some cases, it can also be a benefit for both the cat and the environment. As we've seen, the hunting instinct in domestic cats is influenced by a variety of factors, including genetics, environment, and diet. But here's what nobody talks about: the impact of the hunting instinct on the cat's mental health. A study published in the Journal of Feline Medicine and Surgery found that cats that are allowed to hunt are more likely to have better mental health. In conclusion, the hunting instinct in domestic cats is a natural and normal behavior that can have both positive and negative consequences. As a cat owner, it's up to you to provide your cat with the stimulation and exercise they need to thrive. The key takeaway is to provide your cat with a stimulating environment that mimics the thrill of the hunt. This can include toys, scratching posts, and climbing structures. By providing your cat with the right environment and stimulation, you can help them thrive and live a happy and healthy life. But here's what nobody talks about: the impact of the hunting instinct on the relationship between cats and their owners. A study published in the Journal of Applied Animal Welfare Science found that cats that are allowed to hunt are more likely to form a strong bond with their owners. Join us next time on the Cat Brothers channel as we explore the topic of cat communication. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos.